Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss pair of linear equation. In before's video, we have seen what is linear equation in two variable, how to solve that linear equation and how we can plot that linear equation on the graph. We discuss all these points. Now, we are going to discuss the pair of linear equation. The pair suggests 2. Means here is two linear equations provided us and we have to solve that equations. So for solving the pair of linear equation in two variable, we have different method. First is graphical method. Second one is algebraic method and third one is the word problems on pair of linear equation. So we are going to discuss all these methods in this video. So first we are going to discuss the graphical method. Graphical method to solve the pair of linear equations. So before solving problems, there are different type of solution occur when we solve linear equations in two variable. Suppose two equations are given to us, that is in format of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Because this is the standard format of linear equation. So there is one type of solution, that is unique solution. After solving these equations, we got the unique solutions or we got no solution. Sometimes we don't get a solution for this linear equation, we are unable to find the value of x and y. And sometimes we get infinity many solutions. Okay, so this type of solutions we can find in a graphical method. So what type of graph we can plot after finding these kind of solutions? Let's understand that first. So suppose we got a unique solutions. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, suppose we got a unique solutions, then the line for linear equation 1 and line for linear equation 2. Okay, some intersecting point is there. Suppose this is equation 1 line and this is equation 2 line. Okay, if the two lines are intersect each other, then we get a unique solutions. Unique solutions were that pair of linear equations. And if the lines are parallel to each other, let's see, suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, if the two lines of equations are parallel to each other, okay, this is the line for equation 1 and this is line for equation 2. Okay, if the lines are parallel to each other, then we can say the pair of linear equations has no solutions. Okay, and if we talk about the infinity many solutions, in case of infinity many solutions, the lines are overlap on each other. The same line for both these equations. In that case, we got the infinity many solutions for pair of linear equation in two variable. Now let's understand how to solve the problem on the basis of that. Let's solve some problems on linear equation in two variable by graphical method. So we are going to discuss the graphical method. In graphical method, there is no 2 marks and 1 marks question available. Direct 3 marks question and 4 marks question we can discuss in this topic. Okay, so let's take a question. Question is, determine graphically the candidate of vertices of triangle. The equation of two sides are given. Sides are 2y minus x is equals to 8. And second is 5y minus x is equals to 14. So these are the two linear equations because we are discussing pair of linear equations. And we have to solve these equations and find the solution and plot the graph. So these questions is asking CBSE 2020. CBSE 2020 standard for 3 marks. Okay, so let's solve this question. Let's find solutions for this equation first. 2y minus x is equals to 8. So we can put value of y or value of x according to our assumptions or conditions. Okay, so let's put y's value. Okay, so when y is equals to 1, suppose we put y is equals to 1 in this equation, then we get 2 minus x is equals to 8. Okay, then minus x is equals to 6 and x is equals to minus 6. So points are minus 6 comma 1. First points are minus 6 comma 1. Let's put y's value 2. If y is equals to 2, then 4 minus x is equals to 8 and minus x is equals to 8 minus 4, that is minus x is equals to 4. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4. In this case, points are minus 4 comma 2. Now let's find the 3 points. Third point for this equation. Let's put y is equals to 3. In that case, 2y means 6 minus x is equals to 8. Okay, then minus x is equals to 8 minus 6 and minus x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2. Okay, so the points are minus 2 comma 3. These are the points for this equation. Now we can plot this point on the graph and draw a line for this linear equation. Along with this linear equation, we also solve this linear equation, and then we can plot a graph. So let's find the solution for this equation. Let's take this equation, put the value of y. If y is equals to 1 for this equation, 5y minus x is equals to 14, then 5 minus x is equals to 14 and x is equals to minus 9. So the point are minus 9 comma 1. Let's put y is equals to 2. In that case, 10 minus x is equals to 14 and minus x is equals to 4. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4. Okay, so the next points are minus 4 comma 2. Let's put y is equals to 3. If y is equals to 3, then 15 minus x is equals to 14. Minus x is equals to minus 1, therefore x is equals to 1. And the third points are 1 comma 3. These are the points for this linear equation. Okay.